Hello and welcome to Mr. Kenyon's studio. You're watching lesson 2 of the piano lesson series. In this video we're going to learn about the 5-finger position. We're going to learn about the musical alphabet and what an octave is and the 5-finger exercise. I'll see you there. Alright, so this is lesson 2 in the piano lesson series for beginners. We're learning about 5-finger position. So this is what we call 5-finger position right here where my hand is. It's 1 finger per key. And also it's important to note the curvature of my fingers. They say try to pretend like you're grabbing a squeeze ball. Your fingers should be curved when you play. You don't want them to be flat because then you don't have as much control over your fingers. You kind of just do whatever they want. This way you have more control over your fingers. So they should always be curved like this. So you can start on C, and the notes are C, D, E, F, G. So that's in C position. You can move the 5-finger position anywhere else on the piano, and you should be able to play it with your fingers staying on 1 key. Each finger plays 1 key. And again, the finger numbers to review, you start with the thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the left hand fingers are the opposite. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your thumb is always 1 in both hands. Thumb is 1. So again, curve your fingers, make sure your wrist is relaxed, and then practice this 5-finger exercise where you go up and down. Make sure you can do that consistently and with a steady beat. Okay, so make sure that you can do that, and that's the foundation for piano technique. And also, it's good to know the letters too, to know that you're playing C, D, E, F, G. And if you're starting in a different position, what are those letters? D, E, F, G, A, E, F, G, A, B, and so on and so forth. So the musical alphabet actually starts on an A, even though we start in C position normally. So it goes from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it starts on A again. That's called an octave. From A to A is an octave, or B to B. It's the same note, one sounds higher. Like one person singing higher, or another person singing lower. Like if a man and a woman singing their registers. If they have, a typical male and female voices. So make sure you play this with a steady beat. And keep your fingers consistent, and you're on your way to learning piano. Thank you for watching.